Proud people of Giwan, of Suluan also and Humunhon, it is an honor to stand with you today as we commemorate a historic moment, not only for Eastern Samar, but for the entire Philippines and the world. History is not only written by great voyages, but also by the quiet encounters of ordinary people. 505 years ago, in March of 1521, the fleet of Ferdinand Magellan, after months of cruising the vast Pacific Ocean, sighted the land here in our waters. Kunuhuna-huna naton ang irabiyahe 5 ka bulan nga paglayag ngan pagkita nira una kinitirahan suluan ngan ikaduha kinita niran humunhon pagkita niran humunhon siniring hira ay salamat Ginoo may datuna ngan may tubig na liwat nga aton maiinom para kita magkabubuhi. Shortly after they anchored in Humunon Island, where they were welcomed by local inhabitants who offered food, water, and friendship to the weary travelers. This island became the first point of contact between our ancestors and the expedition that would later complete the first circumnavigation of the world. Because of the kindness and hospitality of the people of this island, the expedition regained strength and continued its journey. More importantly, these encounters would eventually lead to one of the most significant transformations in our nation's history, the introduction of Christianity to the Philippines. From those early moments of encounter grew a faith that continued to shape the identity, culture, and the values of millions of Filipinos today. That is why commemorations like this are important. They remind us that history is not just about dates and events. History is about people. Their courage, their encounters, and the choices that shape the course of our nation. By remembering Suluan and Humunhon, we also recognize the rule of Eastern Samar in a story that connects our islands to the wider history of the world. As the philosopher George Santayana once said, those who cannot remember the past are condemned to repeat it. Through this commemoration, we ensure that future generations will continue to remember the lesson, the heritage, and the identity of this island represent. But beyond history, this occasion also reminds us of the values that welcomed those travelers 505 years ago: the hospitality, generosity, and the openness encounter. And as we reflect on the faith that eventually took root in our land, let us remember the word from Matthew 15:14 to 16. You are the light of the world. A city set on hill cannot be hidden. Let your light shine before others, that they may see your good works and glorify your Father in heaven. Para hanaton mga partners dinhi kahumunhon, hinumduman naton nga development must always go hand in hand with responsibility. Progress should never forget the needs of the people and the protection of the environment that itato niya na tinutumbuman. Kinahanglan may the protection itato environment. May the story of Tuluan and Umunon continue to shine as a light of history, faith, and shared heritage to generations to come. And thank you very much, and may God bless Eastern Samar, Tuluan and Umunon Island, and the people of Iwan.